watching and waiting for the worst.
I was thinking it was going to fall over, and then it was swaying pretty good. I was going to jump in my truck and move my truck out of the way.
But a split-second decision not to move saved Mike Bewitt's life.
It's too late.
With a crack, down came Mike's massive spruce tree, taking his newly paid-off truck with it.
Can't get any worse. One can get better from here.
Blocks away, Zelma McKeehee had a shock of her own.
Oh my gosh, she's got another. Look at the bubbles coming.
Bubbles.
I came home, I was exhausted, so I sat on my couch. And my bottom was wet. Why?
It didn't take long for Velma to find the culprit.
The tree limb from up above went through the roof,
causing a pretty big leak inside her home. The last thing a new tenant wants to deal with.
I just moved in here a couple days ago.
It's clear they still have a very big cleanup effort here in Valley. We, of course, will continue to bring you updates as they go through this process in Valley. Lauren Scott, KETV, News Watch 7.